everybody, thank you for watching. I hope everyone is having an amazing week so far. I filmed this exact makeup look, but only showed a few steps for my Instagram and TikTok, and I got so many requests to do this eye look or the full face look, so I figured let's sit down today and do a beautiful spring glowy look. I feel like this color screams the spring, and we are so close to having warmer weather, and I cannot wait. I'm counting down the days. If you guys want to learn how I got this look right here, then please keep watching. Spring is officially right around the corner. Had a little bit of a preview of it the other day. We had like 60-degree weather. You know, the first thing I did was run to the park with friends and the dogs, and it was heavenly. My skin prep is definitely different when it comes to winter makeup looks and spring makeup looks. By now you've seen me mention the D'Alba First Serum Spray probably in every single one of my videos for the past, again, 2 to 3 years. I mentioned this on Instagram. I literally have no concept of time, so it actually might be longer than that, but this has been my staple go-to heavenly product, and I use this all year round. This is actually one of the best-selling products in Korea, and I feel like at this point everybody that I know is obsessed with this product, which makes me so happy. With spring coming, that means extra exposure to the sun, so you want to start your makeup routine with an SPF that is not going to leave any white cast on your face. This is the D'Alba UV Essence Waterfall Plus. This is going to provide you with instant hydration, it's going to lock in moisture, and it's going to boost your skin's natural radiance. So I'm just going to apply a little bit to my fingertips. About this much. This has SPF 50 in it, so you will be protected all day long. And I just recently got into SPF, which I know sounds crazy, but I've been doing a lot of laser treatments, and that is like the one thing that she drilled into my head is like, if you're doing all these treatments to keep your skin looking young and fresh, make sure you are using your SPF. This one smells like oranges, which I just die over. And you can see how it's gonna just give you an instant, beautiful, hydrated prep for your makeup. It has like a very lightweight, watery texture, so it doesn't feel like thick on your skin. So this is perfect for people with sensitive skin like me, and it's gonna be the perfect makeup base because it's hydrating, but it's not too greasy. So now that I'm all prepped, I'm gonna go in with the D'Alba First Spray Serum. So before you shake it and mix it together, you can see the top has plant-derived oils on top. This is gonna give your skin relief, it's gonna lock in moisture, and then the bottom clear part is the White Truffle Serum, which is gonna intensify elasticity, and it has antioxidant and anti-aging properties. So this is my normal size bottle that I've been using for years, and then I just got the little mini, which I die over because I like to bring this with me everywhere. And although I did make this work for most of the times that I would leave my house, this is perfect for when I have smaller purses and I want to still bring it with me. This is with me at all times. When I tell you I go out and I spray it on everybody, I'm like, guys, shut your eyes, and I spray it and everybody becomes obsessed with it. So I'm so happy they came out with a smaller version. You can see my large one is literally like, there's maybe one more use out of it. I like to apply this before my makeup, during my makeup, and at the end. I'm just gonna shake it really, really well. And I'm gonna apply a nice layer all over my face. And I spray it like on my chest too, because it gives you like this gorgeous glow. So I'm gonna just let that dry for a minute, and then we're gonna continue on with the rest of the makeup. So I just recently got in this Milk Grip Gel Tint. I have it in the shade 8. I just did a spray tan, so I'm like extra tan. I love a good skin tint for the spring because it still gives you a nice amount of coverage. So I've seen all kinds of awesome reviews on this product. I've used it once before and I really, really loved the finish. It's gonna keep your skin looking extra dewy as well, which is the goal. So I'm going in with this Hourglass contour shade in Golden Almond. So I wanted to show you guys like another trick that I actually saw a celebrity makeup artist doing. So instead of just going right in with the product on your face, sometimes you can just overdo it. And with this look, we want very natural looking skin. So what you can do is apply the cream contour on your hand, spray it, and then you just take it and apply it right onto your skin with a brush. This one is my MAC 130. It's gonna be so much easier to blend. And if you're wearing your hair up like I am today, always want to make sure whatever products you're using, you're bringing down onto your neck. If the front of your neck is getting a little darker from these products, you want to make sure the back as well. Listen, learn the hard way. If you need to use a mirror to check or have a friend check before you leave your house, trust me, it'll be worth it. Going in with the Huda Faux Filter Concealer. Feel free to use as much concealer as you want. I know I don't need this much, but it's just like how I like to do my makeup. I'll never change. I believe I ran out of makeup wipes, so I'm gonna have to sit here with this. At one point I had 27,000 packages of them, and now blend that all in. That way everything looks seamless. We don't want to leave any harsh lines. For blush, I'm gonna go in with the blush filter, Sunset Lychee. My whole look today is gonna be peachy. I posted a video on Instagram and TikTok and everyone was asking me for an eye tutorial, and it's like literally my go-to for spraying, so I figured let's recreate it today. We're gonna just blend all of that in. You can see a beautiful blend. So this is gonna like marry between the concealer and the cream contour. So before I go in with powders, I'm gonna spray my face again with the Dalva Double Serum Spray. We're gonna set our under eyes. First, I'm gonna go in to get rid of any of these creases. This is the Cupcake Powder by Huda. I always said Huda, and it's so weird to say Huda, but apparently it's Huda, not Huda. So I feel like I've been lying to myself for years now. And just apply under the eyes, like that. I know in my last video I mentioned the ube powder, which I've been absolutely loving. I just feel like this powder is more universal, so that's why I'm using it in today's video, but I've been using the ube color of this exact powder and I love it. So now I'm just setting everywhere I put the concealer, that way it's gonna stay all day. And when I do this powder, obviously it's gonna mattify the whole look, so I'm gonna show you how to bring back life to your makeup. But you have to stay tuned and watch every little step, because I swear my technique has been so perfected that you're not getting better makeup than this. Taking my dark mineralized powder, it's a nice lightweight bronzer just to kind of set the cream contoured areas. And like, look at my chest. It still has such a glow from the Dalva spray, which is wild. So all I know is once I want to bring back life, I just gotta spray that spray and we'll be back glowing for the gods. And you know me, I've never really been a highlighter type of person. Like, I'll highlight my nose till the day that I die. But like, as far as like highlighter everywhere else, I just never really loved it. But I feel like with this spray, it gives you like that gorgeous glow from within without being like a powdered, thick highlighter. Now I'm gonna lightly wipe away the powder. And when I do this, I have such a light hand because I don't want anything to move. Like, I purposely put my concealer and my bronzers and everything in the place that I want to keep them. Shake it again. This is the matte side, but that it just makes you so hydrated. And like, do you see how much I use? I've actually gone through like 20 bottles at this point. I take the butt of my beauty blender. I just like to push all of that serum spray into my skin. I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. This palette is beat up because I use it so much. This base color has a little bit of like a peachy undertone, which is gonna be perfect. Going in with a large blending brush, E40 from Sigma, and I'm taking this matte orangey shade, and with a light hand, I'm gonna start blending that. I'm gonna go in with this orange, shimmery orange here, just with my finger. I love to apply shimmers with my finger. I just feel like it comes out way more pigmented, so you don't have to use as much. And you just have more control. Absolutely love this color. It's like just so beautiful. I'm gonna mix these two on the outer V. I like to make my eyes look bigger. So the way I apply my shadow, I do it again, setting it up for a nice thick wing and then a lash that's gonna make my eyes look just as big as humanly possible. Going in with my liner. proud of myself because I finally put the lashes back on here, so I actually reuse them because there's no reason I need to be using them one time. I love the Double Up 113s lash glue, and I just cut them not in half, but I cut a lot off because I just like them on the outer part of my eye, like here over mascara. In the same orange. In this shade. I just take a little bit of the powder right under my eyes. If I don't do this step, and I say this in every video because it's so important, I get the mascara all over my bright under eyes, and it takes so long to make sure they're really bright. I cannot have that happening. This is my sample lip liner, the hair attached, an eyelash attached to it. These were supposed to be launching last month, but we're a little delayed, but I used it in the video that you guys wanted the tutorial from, so I'm gonna just show you it in action and just know that it's coming very, very soon. This is the best shade, I'm obsessed. I feel like if the color Francesca and the color Carly had a baby, this would be this one. You guys get a little sneak peek of the soon to be released. And then for lipstick, one in the video is from my new drop, which is coming soon, but I feel like, can I use 2 lip products that are not out yet? Or are you guys gonna hate me? I'm just gonna use it, but I have to hide the whole container because there's something brand new coming about it. So, I'm sorry, I'll show you the bullet. It's this color. It's one of my favorites. Can't show you it because it's in, we did a little something different for the packaging. It's like this beautiful nude pink. I absolutely love this combo. I will list the names of it when I announce them, so stay tuned. Dry mascara should be dry at this point, so I'm just gonna wipe away the powder. Then I'm gonna go in with a little powder blush, Super Candy Clouds. This shade. So I'm just highlighting under the brow. To top off my whole look, I'm gonna spray my whole face. If you feel like you did a super dramatic eye look and you don't like using setting spray all over your face, I personally always do it. Feel free to spray your beauty blender with the setting spray and then you can just kind of apply it wherever you want, but I don't care, I go all in. And you can see I use a ton. Again, go in and just push everything together. I'm gonna put on the same shirt as yesterday because it just was too good. So I'll be right back, guys. So this is the final result. I've had this shirt for years and I've never worn it, and now I'm wearing it twice in the same week, which feels wrong. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you again to Dewy for sponsoring today's video. I love you guys so much, and until next time, I'll see you guys later.